Hi, everyone. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm Professor Rios, and this is a bit of an overview of the week 3 and week 4 in Geo 102, the homework, the population data collection, and the population data analysis. Sort of to get everybody started on the same sort of footing. This is an update to a previous video, which featured Blackboard. This is now a bright space demo or overview. Is being done in the fall term, but it could be applicable to the spring term as well. So don't let that throw you off if you're watching this in the spring. So when you go to Unit 1, week 3 and 4, so when you go into week 3, you will see this video will be linked here. It will be actually called Overview. And really the first section deals with getting the pyramid data and the demographic data. So you simply follow these rather simple steps. You click on this link, okay? When you click on this link, you will get to the you will get to the census, and here it is. And then you'll follow the instructions, which have you basically click on this international database. And here you are, and you follow those steps. Let me cancel that. And you click on world, number 2, you do this, and you do that, boom, boom, boom. You follow it, and you're going to collect 3 pyramids for the years 1990, 2020, and 2050. That's the first half of the homework. The second half of the homework is to collect actual demographic data. So the link is the same. But you will follow these different steps. You will save the images as JPEG. So for example, when you're here, and notice how there's the little sort of download, you can save as either a PDF or a JPEG. Use JPEG and save it to your desktop, whatever you choose, okay? And save it to your computer. In fact, I just downloaded it. And then what you will do is you will do steps 1 through 6 for the birth rate, death rate, life expectancy at birth for both sexes. And then what you will do is you will actually submit this as a file. Okay. You attach it a Word document, pages, or PDF, including the pyramids, the 3 pyramids, and also the data collected here. The pyramids should be in order, chronological order, so 90, 2020, 2050. And then these, whatever order you downloaded them in. Pretty easy. This may be the easiest homework that you have all year. Almost guarantee it. You simply have to collect the data, save it into a file. When you save it into a file, call the file your last name and population data homework. And that's it. Submit it. You submit it through this link right here, population collection data homework. So that's week 3. Very easy, very, very easy. You should do this as soon as possible, get it out of the way. No reason not to do this and do well in it. You're just collecting data. Now, let's go into week 4. In week 4, what you're doing is, there's that same link, which will read, I believe, overview makes more sense, right? So now you're getting into, here is the actual homework. So there's a lot of details, and it's detailed for a reason. So you should do this first. You should go to the CIA fact book, and here's what it looks like. You can look at your country, and you can analyze it. Let's just say your country was Andorra. All right, so this has a lot of information about Andorra, just some basic data to familiarize yourself with Andorra. Okay, there's even a satellite picture of where Andorra is. And there's all kinds of data, some background, some intro, something about the geography, the area, just basic data about Andorra. okay, or any other country. Now, next, you will analyze each pyramid using the data you found from homework 2, okay? And finally, you need to pick a population angle, meaning you need to critically analyze the data of your country based on whatever challenge that country may have. Every country is different. If you're from Asia, Latin America, North America, Europe, Africa, every country has its different, are they facing political unrest, ethnic tensions, economic instability? I mean, think about Europe and the energy crisis happening there in 2022, if that's when you're watching this. So read the instructions, read them carefully. There is a short video here. So if you click on this, it brings you to a population pyramids video that will allow you to get into that. It's a TED Talk. It's only 5 minutes. Okay. So I highly recommend. In fact, let's get to that as soon as the ad ends. And then once you do that, there you go. It's a TED Talk. And it's only 5 minutes and 1 second, totally worth your time. It explains how to analyze the pyramids and what powerful predictors of the future they happen to be. So you're going to be analyzing each of the pyramids in that homework for staged demographic transition. In addition to that, let me cancel this. To get full or close to full credit on this homework, you need to include the following. So think of this as your check. Don't use first person. If you do this correctly, you will have an introductory small paragraph, a paragraph for each analyzed pyramid, and a concluding one. And you will have citations within the text of submission. I give you a citation machine link, whatever link or whatever formatting source you prefer to do it APA style, use that. I don't care. It's worth 75 points and it's due on Sunday, not Thursday, Sunday of week 4. So you have the whole week. Call the document your last name. So Stevens population homework.doc, Word document. Hopefully this at least helps you a bit to get going. Again, week 3, you're simply collecting the data. That's it. Make it nice and easy to look at, format it well, make it as efficient as possible. And then during week 4, you're going to analyze that data. Chapter 4 of your textbook comes in exceptionally handy to help explain some of those numbers and some of that data that you will be collecting. I would really, if you have any questions, come to the live office hour, ask me any questions, and I'll be happy to go over it with you. But this isn't something you can just pick up on Sunday evening and throw something together and expect to get a good grade. You really kind of need to do a little bit of research, bottom line, okay? So having said all that, if you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to assisting you if needed. And otherwise, hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Good luck. Bye.